Hello there. Thank you for joining us today. Can you start by telling us a little bit about yourself and what you do as an influencer?
Sure, it's great to be here. I'm a content creator, content writer, and social media manager. I create various types of content, including blog posts, videos, and social media posts, to engage my audience and promote brands.
That sounds like quite a diverse range of skills. How did you get started in the world of influencer marketing?
Well, it all started a few years ago when I began sharing my thoughts and experiences online through blogging. As my audience grew, brands started reaching out to collaborate with me on sponsored content. From there, I realized the potential of influencer marketing and decided to pursue it full-time.
That's fascinating. Could you walk us through a typical day in your life as an influencer?
Of course. My day usually starts early with a brainstorming session to come up with content ideas. Then, I spend time creating and editing content for various platforms, whether it's writing blog posts, filming videos, or designing graphics for social media. I also dedicate time to engaging with my audience and responding to comments and messages. Additionally, I work closely with brands to develop and execute marketing campaigns.
It sounds like you have a lot on your plate. How do you manage to balance all of your responsibilities?
It can definitely be challenging at times, but I've learned to prioritize my tasks and manage my time efficiently. I also have a great team supporting me, including editors, photographers, and social media managers, who help lighten the load.
That's great to hear. Now, let's talk about the financial aspect of being an influencer. How much do you typically earn in a month?
Well, it varies depending on the month and the number of campaigns I'm involved in, but on average, I'd say I earn around 8 lakhs per month. However, it's important to note that this income doesn't come easy. I put in a lot of hard work and dedication to achieve these results.
That's certainly an impressive figure. What are some of the key factors that contribute to your earning potential as an influencer?
I think one of the main factors is the quality and consistency of my content. Brands are always looking to collaborate with influencers who can create engaging and authentic content that resonates with their target audience. Additionally, having a large and engaged following on social media is essential, as it increases the reach and impact of sponsored posts.
It sounds like building a strong personal brand is crucial in this industry. What advice would you give to aspiring influencers who are looking to achieve similar success?
My biggest piece of advice would be to stay true to yourself and your passions. Authenticity is key in influencer marketing, so focus on creating content that genuinely reflects who you are and what you believe in. Also, don't be afraid to put yourself out there and network with other influencers and brands. It's all about building relationships and seizing opportunities.
Thank you for sharing your insights with us today. It's been a pleasure speaking with you.
Likewise, thank you for having me. If anyone has any further questions or wants to connect, feel free to reach out to me on social media.